I hope you're enjoying the bank holiday weather. Today I'm actually making a mocktail. This is a special request for Dave. This is the Saintly Seabreeze. Saintly Seabreeze is on P&O Cruises. I'm much more familiar with the traditional Seabreeze and with a tot of vodka in it. So I haven't actually tried a Saintly Seabreeze, but from the information that I can find, I think I've got it right, so we'll have a go at that. So you'll need some lemonade, some grapefruit juice, some cranberry juice, a lime, and this is a hurricane glass filled with ice, or a fairly large glass filled with ice. For this, we are going to start with the fruit juices. So we'll pop in, I'm giving these a good shake. We'll pop in the grapefruit juice first. You need 4 measures of grapefruit juice. So going off the shots, I will be doing 100 ml of grapefruit juice. Oops, that's a bit. Good job, I had a tray. So these are 50 ml measures, so 2 measures of those, which is 4 singles, 2 doubles. Gosh, I'm making a mess of this one. There's the grapefruit juice. We have the same again of the cranberry juice. These new ones, I should have opened them up first. Oh, I haven't got one. Just give it a quick shake now with me. Too bad. Another 4 measures or 2 doubles of cranberry. Smells lovely actually. I think this would be really refreshing for hot days like we're having today. There we go. So there are your fruit juices. I haven't actually got a lot of room for the lemonade, but I think that's the point. So first of all, I'm going to just squeeze a quarter of a lime into here. So a quarter of a lime. This is my preference. I like a bit of lime in mine, but if you find these quite tart anyway, you could leave them out. So give that a squeeze of lime. So, then we're going to top up with a lemonade. I haven't opened this one yet either, so if this goes everywhere, it'll be amusing. Oh, another squidgy bottle, so just top that up to the top with the lemonade. Doesn't really matter how much. If you prefer it not so fruit juicy, then do 3 measures of each of the fruit juices. As long as you've got equal cranberry and equal grapefruit, you're going to be great. And then I've got a lime wedge there just for garnish. That's it. It's really easy, but it's really delicious. I'll just stick a straw in. These are paper straws. There we go. Easy peasy and really delicious. So yeah, really delicious. Thank you very much.